Hi everyone, today I just want to show you this EOS 1Ds. Show you the aesthetics. This is the front, one side, the other side, the top, the back, and the bottom. Sorry, the cat just dropped off. And this is the sensor area. I'll show you. Okay, for this unit, it comes with, I'm gonna sell it together with this one. This is a DC coupler where you can actually plug power and use the camera together with, and show you the battery. This is the battery for this camera, and it's a connector part. Alright. Unfortunately, I did not manage to get the charger for this camera, so I'm just gonna clear this off without the charger. You will need to source out the charger yourself if you decide to get this. I saw on eBay there's like some very rudimentary chargers, China made ones. It's just a like positive negative clip. Then it will clip, I assume they will clip onto this electrodes here lah. There are also the original ones, but those are quite pricey. I think you need to negotiate with the seller, like on eBay, like how much is the lowest they can go for it. But otherwise, well, I'm gonna sell it so cheap that I guess you won't mind it to be your deco piece. I mean, it will be that price where you can just like, you know, get it at that price and use it as a deco, as a nice deco, even if you don't use it lah. But if you use it, then you need to get a charger. So yeah, really sorry, I can't get the charger for this. All right, so thank you everyone for watching this. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thanks everyone. Bye, God bless.